In legends beyond the hills, the Stymphalian bird guards the silver city of clouds, its bronze wings echoing through ancient forests. Its sharpened feathers gleam like knives, yet it commands storms, sprinting across the sky to summon wind and rain. A curious shepherd girl once followed a rainbowed path to a mountain grove, where the creature saved her stranded flock. In gratitude, she offered sunrise apples, and the bird answered with a lullaby that calmed storms and stitched rainbows. The tale travels on through fireside whispers, reminding listeners that courage and kindness can tame even the fiercest sky beasts.